Hey, I'm here in Wandermere. I'm doing an open house, but also wanted to show you guys and do a house tour for you. Take a look at this beautiful home. I really love how quiet it is here. It's in the Wandermere area, but it's tucked away in a little neighborhood. If you didn't know it was here, you wouldn't be able to recognize it. So come take a look with me, and hope you love it as much as I do. Here's a better look at the house from the front. Here's a look at the neighborhood. Super quiet neighborhood, kind of tucked back in here. Great big porch. There's a view from the porch. Let's go through the house. This home was built in 1977. They've done some nice updates to it. Here's the kitchen. And this cute dining area. Over here they've got a bathroom off to the right. We've got a shower back here behind the door. This is a living area. Backyard. And this wraps around the back to the front door. There's a bathroom right there. And then off to the left here is the primary bedroom. Bathroom, a tiled shower here. And the toilet kind of tucked back here. We got a walk-in closet in here. Bathroom at the top of the stairs. It's a full bath and a tub. And this is a closet. And we have these fun brackets on the linen closet. They're actually metal. It's just linens. Bottom one too. Closet over here. Same thing, closet. And we have a built-in with these metal brackets on it again. Looks like they use this one as a office. Heading back downstairs. Go through the kitchen this way. This living room area, the fireplace, wood burning stove. That goes to the garage. Back into the backyard, a big deck area. Large backyard. It's on 1/4 of an acre. Backside of the house. Fully fenced in yard. And it has a pretty large shed area right there. This shed was fairly expensive, I heard. Yeah. Headed back inside. Take a look at the garage. It's a 2-car garage. If you're like me, you put a bunch of stuff in it and a 1-car. Over there's the to the kitchen. We'll go take a look at the basement. Right here off to the left is some storage in the furnace room. Furnace here, and lots of storage space, canned goods. They're using this living area down here as a studio, so they've got all the mirrors up. We got laundry here. Side we got a water heater and storage. Well, I hope you like this house as much as I do. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.